Today we're tidying up my spice cabinet. Come on in, welcome to my home. As promised, today I am tidying up my spice cabinet, going through and getting rid of the spices and seasonings that I no longer use, that are way outdated, and that just need to go. Here's one thing that you can do, which is sort of a common rule of thumb. If it is like a leaf, those generally last about a year to 2 years, and I will admit I have some which are way older. If it is like a seed or a stem, if you're wondering what a stem would be like cinnamon, nutmeg, those will last 2 to 3 years. So that's a general rule of thumb, but it's all about potency. Are they still as good and as wonderful as they should be? So the first thing I'm going to do is gather up all my spices together and show you what I've got. Okay, so this is all of them. I know, I'm sort of ashamed of myself. And I have noticed that there are a lot which are repeats on here. I have lots of orange peel. And this orange peel is really old, so the first thing that I'm going to do is actually go through. Don't look at prices of things. Go through and get rid of stuff which you know are old. Those are the first things you need to do. So let's do that first. Everything which is old needs to go. Alright, old things are gone. Now the next step is to get rid of things which you bought but you never were going to use. I have sienna leaf. No. Slippery elm. And marshmallow root. All of those things where I bought them for some specific reason. I've never used them past that one time. Some of them are probably getting kind of old, so they need to go. Other things were like lemon balm. I grow lemon balm. I have lemon balm right outside my house. I really do not need this jar of lemon balm. You're saying, well, you're just going to dump it and throw it away? I will try to see if I can give it to somebody, but I do not need this. Other things which can go. I even have to clean this out. More lemon peel. Because if you watch my zest video, you know that I dehydrated a whole bunch of orange peel, lemon peel, and those sort of things. So I really don't need that either. I have 2 things of food coloring. I almost never use food coloring. I will keep one just in case, but other than that, I don't need the other one. This is real ginger root, and where are the bigger pieces? This is ginger root. This is newer, this is older. I'll probably keep both of these because, believe it or not, I actually do use ginger root. I actually use a lot of ginger root. Cloves, this is one of those interesting ones. No, it's not. This whole thing of cloves I don't even want to tell you how many years ago I got. It needs to go. It is very old. However, I've been keeping it because, I don't know, but it's got to go. Whole cloves, those are new, I know. Dillweed. Ground cardamom, all of those I know are new. Ground ginger. All of my gingers are now together. You're wondering, well, why do you have all these bizarre gingers? Well, because I just didn't think about it. Stevia I use all the time. I know that this is onion soup mix. It is getting kind of old. Made it sometime last year. Mustard seeds. Fennel seeds, just use those. Here's a tough one. Coriander and cardamom pods. I almost never ever use these. Why I'm keeping them, I don't know. You're saying, well, but you might use them. Realistically, I don't like cardamom, and I don't like coriander, so they're going to have to go, I do believe. Onion powder, just use that. Oh, here's a great one. Dandelion leaf. Used it for tea one time. Never used it again. Cinnamon sticks are brand new. Just made a recipe with them. You'll see that sometime soon. Vervain. Never use it. Unless you're watching the Vampire Diaries, in which case it's a whole nother issue. Okay, when it comes to seed pods, sticks, and those sort of things, this is star anise, and our star anise. I use this not that often, but this will last 3 to 4 years. Just got this last year. Baking powder. I didn't realize I had this whole big thing, and I just bought baking powder. This is why cleaning these things out. This is brand new. These are dehydrated cranberries. Caraway seeds. Somewhere around here. Oh, got rid of the old caraway seeds. That's good. Alright, so we've reduced all of that to this. That's actually really good. Now let's organize this. We're going to do baking stuff over here, seasoning, spices. Seasonings are going to be like my garlic, salt, those sort of things, spices and herbs. You'll see how it breaks down really quick. Alright, now this is really easy. I can go and put this all away and it can all go back into one spot. Let's put it away now. Now my kitchen cabinet is arranged completely by how often I use it and what it is. I reduced all of that, a cabinet and a drawer, to just what you see there. It wasn't difficult. I really did get rid of the stuff that I do not use whatsoever. Will I have to buy some of the stuff which I threw away? I seriously doubt it. I might, but that's okay because most of the stuff that I threw away or that I gave away is stuff that I would never use or is really old. Threw the old stuff away, gave away the stuff I wouldn't use. But this is a great time for you to tidy up your spice cabinets. Tidy up your oils, your seasonings, your baking supplies. So that way you know that you've got the freshest, the best, all ready for you. And when you buy it, label it. So that way you know when you got that. How about you? Have you tidied up your spice cabinet? If so, let me know. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you and I hope I get to see you again next time.